Welcome back to the ReiBoot channel. Has your iPhone ever suddenly shown a white screen, got stuck on the Apple logo, turned black, or completely frozen? Before you rush to a repair shop or think about replacing your phone, let me show you a simple way to fix common iOS system issues with Tenorshare ReiBoot. First, click the link in the video description below to download and install ReiBoot. Once it's installed, connect your iPhone to your computer with a USB cable, then open ReiBoot. Inside the program, click Start Repair, then choose Standard Repair. This mode is great for common iPhone problems like a white screen, black screen, stuck Apple logo, boot loop, or frozen device. And in most cases, it can repair the system without erasing your data. Next, follow the instructions to download the correct iOS firmware. After the firmware is downloaded, click Start Standard Repair, and ReiBoot will handle the rest automatically. You don't need to search for firmware manually, and you don't have to deal with complicated recovery mode steps by yourself. Once the repair is finished, your iPhone will restart, and normally, you should be able to use it again. Compared with waiting at a repair shop, this method is much faster and easier, especially if you want to try fixing the issue on your own first. But what if standard repair doesn't solve the problem? In that case, you can try deep repair. Deep repair is designed for more serious iOS system issues, but here's something important. This mode may erase your device data, so before using deep repair, make sure you back up your iPhone first. And if you don't want to use iTunes backup, or you're tired of random error messages and pop-ups, ReiBoot also has a built-in data backup feature. Here's how to use it. Connect your iPhone to the computer, open ReiBoot, and click Data Backup and Restore. Then choose Backup, and ReiBoot will help you back up the data on your iPhone. Later, when you want to restore your data, just go back to the same feature and click Data Restore. You'll see your previous backup records there, and you can choose the one you want to restore. Besides system repair and data backup, ReiBoot can also help you downgrade iOS. Just click iOS Downgrade, and you'll see the available Apple-signed firmware versions, but keep in mind, downgrading iOS usually causes data loss. So before you start the downgrade process, make sure you back up your iPhone first. After the backup is done, go back to the downgrade page, choose an available iOS firmware version, and follow the on-screen steps. Compared with manually downloading an IPSW file and using iTunes, ReiBoot makes the whole process much easier and more straightforward. Once the downgrade is complete, you can return to Data Backup and Restore, click Data Restore, and restore your previous backup. So to sum it up, if your iPhone is stuck on a white screen, black screen, Apple logo, boot loop, frozen screen, or any other iOS system issue, ReiBoot is definitely worth trying. You can also use it to back up your data and downgrade iOS when needed. The download link is in the video description below. And if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next iPhone repair tutorial.